सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। तो इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पॉजिटिव बायस सीरीज नेगेटिव क्लिपर। सो नाउ अगेन टू जस्ट द ऑपरेशन वी कैन अप्लाई इधर शॉर्ट सर्किट टेस्ट और ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट। तो सो लेट्स अप्लाई ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट, राइट। तो when I'll apply open circuit test, I'll open circuit the diode, then my circuit will look like this. Right, so now this is the V of R, this is plus minus V0. See here I equals to 0, right? See, now you can clearly see that as it is open circuit there will be no voltage drop across the resistor R. So V0, clearly V0 equals to V of R, and VD, the voltage across the diode, is equals to V in minus V0, right? This, the voltage here is V0 and this is V in, so voltage across this diode right here is V in minus V0. Now as V0 equals to V of R, so I can write it as this VD, voltage across diode, equals to V in minus V of R, right? Now see, there are two possibilities: VD greater than 0. So when VD is greater than 0, then diode acts as forward bias, or I can say short circuit. So in this case V in minus V of R is greater than 0, right? This difference is greater than 0, or I can say V in is greater than V of R, right? Now when VD is less than 0, the voltage across the diode is less than 0. In that case diode acts as reverse bias, that is open circuit. And when the diode is open circuit, then V in minus VR is less than 0, or I can write V in is less than V of R, right? So which means if the input voltage is greater than the reference voltage V of R, right, this is the reference voltage. So when the input voltage is greater than the reference voltage, then diode is on, and if V in is less than V of R, then the diode is off. See, earlier the threshold in our circuit was 0, there was no biasing here, so the threshold was 0. Now the threshold is V of R, right? So now in V in greater than V of R, diode is on, and in V in less than V of R, diode is off, right? So now guys, when we apply, so let's apply sinusoidal input, right? So when I apply sinusoidal input, now this is bias voltage. So we have applied a positive bias voltage, right? So this is V of R, reference voltage. So I have drawn it above this axis, right? Now we're just going to draw vertical lines here. So guys, as we saw, diode is on, V0 equals to V of in. In that case V in is greater than VR, and when V in is less than VR, output voltage equals to VR, the reference voltage, and the diode is off. So you see here, when V in is greater than V of R, means in this region, then output voltage equals to input voltage. So it's the same as the input voltage. So here also same as the input voltage. And when it is less than, V in is less than the reference voltage, this is the reference voltage, when V in is less than reference voltage, so this entire part is less than VR, right? Then output equals to VR, that is straight line, so output equals to V of R, this way, okay? So this is VR. So this is the output waveform when we applied a sinusoidal input. Now see, one important point is that this is V of R. See, this reference voltage must be less than the peak of the input voltage, right? Otherwise V in can never be greater than V of R, and we just saw V in is greater than VR, right? So for diode to be on, that is forward biased, for that case the peak value of input voltage must exceed the reference voltage. Okay, now let's draw the transfer characteristics. So as we have applied positive reference voltage, so this is our VR on the positive side of V in. Now see, So when V in is greater than V of R, then the output voltage equals to V in. So V in greater than VR is in this region, right? So when that's the case, then the output voltage, see here this is V of R and this is also V of R, right? Positive. So this is V of R, right? Now when V in is greater than V of R, so output voltage equals to V in. See, this is the case. It is a straight line with slope equals to 1, right? Now when V in is less than V of R, that is in this region, then V0 equals to V of R, that is this, right? This way. So guys, this is the transfer characteristic for a positive bias series negative clipper.